Welcome back to reasoning class. Today I will start series part 2. So number series 2. Fill in the missing numbers to complete the series first. So here what we have to do? We have to fill the missing numbers to complete the series. But how we come to know that what is missing? So what is given we have to look that. Clear? See 2, 6, 8, 12, 14. Clear? 6, 8, 12, 14. Now if we subtract 12 from 14, what difference we get? We get 2. Clear? If we subtract 12 from 14, we get difference 2. If we subtract 6 from 8, we get difference 2. So common difference we are getting 2. Means if we add 2, we get the missing numbers. Clear? So 2 plus 2, 4. 4 plus 2, 6. 6 plus 2, 8. 8 plus 2, 10. 10 plus 2, 12. 12 plus 2, 14. Clear? See once again. 2 plus 2, 4. 4 plus 2, 6. 6 plus 2, 8. 8 plus 2, 10. 10 plus 2, 12. 12 plus 2, 14. Clear? So missing numbers are 4 and 10. So first one missing numbers 4 and 10. Clear? Second, 3, 9, 21, 33, 39. How we come to know that which number is missing? So what we do? If we subtract 33 from 39, we get common difference. We get difference 6. Clear? If we subtract 3 from 9, we get difference 6. So common difference here we are getting 6. So see here 3, if we add 6, what we get? 3 plus 6, 9. 9 plus 6, 15. 15 plus 6, 21. 21 plus 6, 27. 27 plus 6, 33. 33 plus 6, 39. So missing numbers 15 and 27. How we get come to know what was given? From that only we come to know the common difference, and that we add, we come to know the missing number. Clear? See, if we subtract 3 from 9, we get 6. Clear? If we subtract 33 from 39, we get difference 6. So 3 plus 6, 9. 9 plus 6, 15. 15 plus 6, 21. 21 plus 6, 27. So 15 and 27 are the missing numbers. Third, 7, 21, 28, 42, 49. If you know the table of 7, you can easily do it. 7 1 7, 7 2 14, 7 3 21, 7 4 28, 7 5 35, 7 6 42, 7 7 49. Clear? And if you have a confusion, see here, if you subtract 42 from 49, what difference you get? 7. If you subtract 21 from 28, what difference you get? 7. Common difference 7. So if you add 7 with 7, what you get? 14. 7 plus 7, 14. 14 plus 7, 21. 21 plus 7, 28. 28 plus 7, 35. 35 plus 7, 42. 42 plus 7, 49. Clear? So 14 and 35 are the missing numbers. In third, 14 and 35 are the missing numbers. Next, fourth. 10, 25, 30, 35, 40. Clear? See, if we subtract 35 from 40, what difference we get? 5. If we subtract 30 from 35, what difference we get? 5. Clear? If we subtract 25 from 30, what difference we get? 5. Means there is a common difference of 5. Clear? So if we add 5, we get the missing number. Clear? 10 plus 5, 15. 15 plus 5, 20. 20 plus 5, 25. 25 plus 5, 30. 30 plus 5, 35. 35 plus 5, 40. So 15 and 20 are missing numbers. In fourth, 15 and 20 are the missing numbers. Now fifth, 20, 40, 50, 70, 80. If we subtract 70 from 80, what difference we get? We get 10. Clear? If we subtract 40 from 50, what difference we get? We get 10. Difference 10. Clear? So common difference is 10. So if we add 10, we get the missing number. 20 plus 10, 30. 30 plus 10, 40. 40 plus 10, 50. 50 plus 10, 60. 60 plus 10, 70. 70 plus 10, 80. Clear? So 30 and 60 are the missing number. Clear? In 5, see here, 20 plus 10, 30. 30 plus 10, 40. 40 plus 10, 50. 50 plus 10, 60. 30 and 60 are the missing numbers. 6, 11, 13, 19, 21, 23. If we subtract 21 from 23, what difference we get? We get 2. If we subtract 19 from 21, what difference we get? 2. Clear? If we subtract 11 from 13, what difference we get? 2. Clear? So if we add 2, we get the missing number. 11 plus 2, 13. 13 plus 2, 15. 15 plus 2, 17. 17 plus 2, 19. 19 plus 2, 21. 21 plus 2, 23. Clear? So here 15 and 17 are the missing numbers. Clear? In 6, 15 and 17 are the missing numbers. 7, 31, 51, 71, 81, 91. If we subtract 81 from 91, what difference we get? We get 10. Clear? If we subtract 71 from 81, what difference we get? 10. Clear? Means common difference is 10. So if we add 10, we can easily get the missing number. 31 plus 10, 41. 41 plus 10, 51. 51 plus 10, 61. 61 plus 10, 71. 71 plus 10, 81. 81 plus 10, 91. So 41 and 61 are the missing number in 7. In question 7. Clear? Next is 8. Next question 8. 300, 500, 900, 1100, 1300. Clear? How we come to know? If we subtract 1100 from 1300, what difference we get? We get 200. If we subtract 900 from 1100, what difference we get? 200. Clear? If we subtract 300 from 500, what difference we get? 200. Clear? See, now if we subtract 200 from 900, we get 700. Clear? And if we subtract 200 from 300, we get 100. So in question number 8, 100 and 700 are the missing numbers. Clear? 9th, 510, 530, 590, 610, 630. Clear? So if we subtract 610 from 630, what difference we get? We get 20. Clear? If we subtract 590 from 610, what difference we get? We get 20. Clear? If we subtract 510 from 530, what difference we get? We get 20. Clear? So common difference is 20. So if we add 20, we get the missing number. Clear? In question number 9. So 510 plus 20, 530. 530 plus 20, 550. 550 plus 20, 570. Clear? 570 plus 20, 590. 590 plus 20, 610. 610 plus 20, 630. Clear? So 550 in question number 9, 550 and 570 are the missing numbers. Clear? Now question 10. 4,000, 7,000, 13,000, 16,000, 19,000. If we subtract 16,000 from 19,000, what difference we get? We get 3,000. If we subtract 13,000 from 16,000, what difference we get? 3,000. If we subtract 3,000 from 13,000, what we get? We get 10,000. Clear? If we subtract 3,000 from 10,000, we get 7,000. If we subtract 3,000 from 7,000, we get 4,000. If we subtract 3,000 from 4,000, we get 1,000. Clear? So here 1,000 and 10,000 are missing numbers. Clear? So next, alphanumeric series 1. Which comes next? Tick from the answer set. Problem set first. A2, Z4, B6, Y8. Alphanumeric series means here alphabet and numbers both are written. Clear? So that is why it is known as alphanumeric series. So A2, Z4, B6, Y8. First alphabet in the letter A to Z, A. Clear? And last Z. Clear? Then what comes after A? B. And what comes before Z? Y. So see here, A, Z, B, Y. Clear? And number 2, 4, 6, 8. If we subtract 6 from 8, we get difference 2. If we subtract 2 from 4, we get difference 2. Means what we do? See here, 2 plus 2, 4, 4 plus 2, 6, 6 plus 2, 8, 8 plus 2, 10. And see what comes after B? C. C, 10. So A2, Z4, B6, Y8, C, 10. Clear? C, 10. 1A option is correct. Clear? Now second, A7, C9, E11, G13. A7, A, B, C, D, E, F. 1 alphabet is left out. Clear? 1 letter is left out. See, A, B, C. B is left out. C, D, E. D is left out. E, F. F is left out. Clear? G, then H is left out. After H, what comes? I. Clear? And see here, 7, 9, 11, 13. Clear? If we subtract 11 from 13, what difference we get? 2. If we subtract 9 from 11, we get difference 2. If we subtract 7 from 9, we get difference 2. 7 plus 2, 9, 9 plus 2, 11, 11 plus 2, 13, 13 plus 2, 15. Means I 15. Clear? So A7, C9, E11, G13, I 15. 2, D option is correct. Clear? Third, C51, E61, G 71. Clear? I 81. So C D E F G H I. One alphabet is left out. After C what comes? D. D is left out. After E what comes? F. F is left out. After G what comes? H. H is left out. I. After I what comes? J. J is left out. K. What will come next? K. Clear? Now 51, 61, 71, 81. If we subtract 71 from 81, what difference we get? 10. If we subtract 61 from 71, what difference we get? 10. If we subtract 51 from 61, what difference we get? 10. See, so add here 51 plus 10, 61. 61 plus 10, 71. 71 plus 10, 81. 81 plus 10, 91. Clear? So K91. What comes next? K91. C51, E61, G71, I81, K91. Third D option is correct. Clear? Fourth, B23, E34, H45, K56. See, B, C, D, E, F, G, H, I, J, K. Two alphabets are left out. Clear? After B what comes? C. After C what comes? D. Both C and D are left out. After E what comes? F. After F what comes? G. Clear? Both F and G are left out. Clear? After H what comes? I. After I, J. Both I and J are left out. Clear? K. Then what we will leave? We will leave L, M. Then what will come? N. What alphabet will come? N. Clear? And see, if you subtract 45 from 56, what difference you get? 6 minus 5, 1. 5 minus 4, 1. 11. If you subtract 34 from 45, you get 11. Clear? 23 from 34, 11. Clear? Common difference 11. 23 plus 11, 34. 34 plus 11, 45. 45 plus 11, 56. 56 plus 11, 67. Fourth D option is correct. Clear? So B23, E34, H45, K56 and 67. Fourth D option is correct. 5. A Z8. Clear? B Y8. C X9. D W9. C A Z. First alphabet, last alphabet. Then second alphabet and alphabet which comes before Z. Clear? Y. Clear? And what comes before Y? X. What comes before X? W. See, if you start from the right hand side, W, X, Y, Z. And if you start from the left hand side, see first letters A, B, C, D. Clear? So what comes after D? E. And what comes before W? V. Clear? So E, V. 8, 8, 9, 9. Clear? And after 9 what comes? 10. So E, V, 10. Clear? Fifth D option is correct. 6. A3B, B4C, C6D, D7E. See, in each box AB, then BC, then CD, then DE. Clear? Then what will come? EF. Clear? And number 3, 4, 6, 7. Clear? 3 plus 1 4, clear. Then 2, then 4, 1 is 4, 1 5, clear. 1 6, then 7, then what will come? 8 9, clear. See, A3B, B4C, C6D, D7E, AB, BC, clear. B is continuing, BC, and then C is continuing, CD, then D is continued, DE, then what will come? EF, clear. And 3 4 5 is left, 6 7 8 is left, then what will come? 9, clear. So EF, and in between EF what will come? 9. So A3B, B4C, C6D, D7E, E9F. What will come next? E9F. 6 C option is correct, clear. 7 BA1, DC2, FE3, HG4, clear. It is written, see each box, it is written starting from the right hand side. See here, BA, if you start from the right hand side, AB, clear. Then CD, then EF, then GH, then what will come? IJ, clear, means JI. And 1 2 3 4, what will come next? 5. So JI 5. 7th, JI 5. 7th C option is correct. 8 AB 7, BC 8, CD 9, DE 10. After DE what will come? EF 11, clear. So 8, A option is correct. Next, alphanumeric series 2. Z8, Y7, X6, W5, V4, U3. See student, what comes before Z? Y. What comes before Y? X. What comes before X? W. What comes before W? V. What comes before V? U. What comes before U? T. What comes before T? S. And see, 8 7 6 5 4 3, then 2 1, clear. So T2 S1 are the missing alphanumeric, clear, numbers. Second, J2 K4 L6 M8 and 10. J K L M N, it is in serial order, clear. J K L M N. What comes after N? O. What comes after O? P. What comes after P? Q, clear. And see, 2 plus 2 4, 4 plus 2 6, 6 plus 2 8, 8 plus 2 10, 10 plus 2 12, 12 plus 2 14, 14 plus 2 16, clear. So missing alphanumeric are O12, P14, Q16, clear. Third, A11, B22, C33, D44. See, A, B, C, D, it is in serial order. So after D what comes? E. After E what comes? F. After F what comes? G. After G what comes? H. And see, 11 plus 11, 22. 22 plus 11, 33. 33 plus 11, 44. 44 plus 11, 55. How I come to know? Same pattern, student. If you subtract 33 from 44, you will get difference 11. If you subtract 11 from 22, you will get difference 11. Means what we have to do? We have to add 11 11. And this alphabet is in serial order: A B C D E F G H, clear. 11 plus 11 22, 22 plus 11 33, 33 plus 11 44, 44 plus 11 55, 55 plus 11 66, 66 plus 11 77, 77 plus 11 88. Clear? So missing ones are E55, F66, G77, H88. Clear? Fourth one, C7, F14, I, F14, O35, R42, U49, X56. C, D, E, C, D, E, F. D is left out. Then G, H is left out. We will leave G, H. What we write? I. Clear? We will leave G, K. Clear? We will leave G, J, K. And what will come? L. We will leave M, N. We will write O. Clear? P, Q. Left out R. S, T left out U. V, W left out X. Clear? Now 7, 14, 35, 42, 49, 56. Clear? If you know the table, 7, 1, 7, 7 to 14. What will come next? 7, 3, 21, 7, 4, 28, 7, 5, 35, 7, 6, 42, 7, 7, 49, 7, 8, 56. If you subtract 49 from 56, you will get difference 7 only. Clear? If you subtract 42 from 49, you will get difference 7. If you subtract 35 from 42, you will get difference 7. Clear? Means there is common difference 7. If you add, see here, 7 plus 7, 14. 14 plus 7, 21. 21 plus 7, 28. 28 plus 7, 35. 35 plus 7, 42. 42 plus 7, 49. 49 plus 7, 56. Clear? So C7, F14, I21, L28. So I21 and L28 are the missing ones. Clear? Fifth, 11P, 13Q, 15R. See PQR, it is in serial order. PQR, then what comes after R? S. What comes after S? T. What comes after T? U. After U, V. After V, W. And see, 11 plus 2, 13. 13 plus 2, 15. 15 plus 2, 17. 17 plus 2, 19. 19 plus 2, 21. 21 plus 2, 23. 23 plus 2, 25. So 17S, 19T and 25W. Clear? 6. K40, G20, F15, E10, D5. See, if you start from the right hand side, see D, E, F, G, then what comes after G? H, I, J, K. Clear? So if you move from right hand side to left hand side, see it is in serial order: D, E, F, G, H, I, J, K. Clear? And 5, 10. 5 plus 5, 10. 10 plus 5, 15. 15 plus 5, 20. 20 plus 5, 25. 25 plus 5, 30. 30 plus 5, 35. 35 plus 5, 40. Clear? So J35, I30, S25 are the missing. Clear? One missing. Clear? J35, I30, S25. Now 7th, 13 AB, 15 BC, 17 CD, 19 DE. See, it is in one order. Clear? AB, BC, CD, DE. Then what comes next? EF. What comes next? FG. What comes next? GH. What comes next? HI. Clear? AB, BC, CD, DE, EF, FG, GH, HI. And 13 plus 2, 15. 15 plus 2, 17. 17 plus 2, 19. 19 plus 2, 21. 21 plus 2, 23. 23 plus 2, 25. 25 plus 2, 27. Clear? So 21 EF, 23 FG, 25 GH, 27 HI. Clear? Now 8. LL 45, MM 56, NN 67, OO 78, PP 89. See, LMNOP. What comes before L? K. What comes before K? J. What comes before J? I. I, J, K, L, M, N, O, P. Clear? So I, J, J, K, K. Now see here, 78, 89. If we subtract 78 from 89, what difference we get? We get 11. If we subtract 67 from 78, what difference we get? We get 11. If we subtract 45 from 56, what difference we get? 11. Clear? So common difference is 11. Clear? So if we subtract 11 from 45, what difference we get? What we get? 34. If we subtract 11 from 34, we get 23. If we subtract 11 from 23, we get 12. So I 12, J 23, and K 34. See, if you add 12 plus 11, 23. If you add 23 plus 11, you will get 34. If you add 34 plus 11, so you will get 45. 45 plus 11, 56. 56 plus 11, 67. 67 plus 11, 78. 78 plus 11, 89. Clear? Now, ninth one, AA 12, BB 23. So see here, it is in serial order. A, B, B. Then what comes after B? C. C, C. After C, D. D, D. Clear? After E, F, F. Clear? After G, H, H. So now 12, 23. Clear? So if you subtract 12 from 23, what difference you get? See here, 3 minus 2, 1. 2 minus 1, 1, 11. Clear? So 12 plus 11, 23. 23 plus 11, 34. 34 plus 11, 45. 45 plus 11, 56. 56 plus 11, 67. 67 plus 11, 78. 78 plus 11, 89. So CC 34, DD 45. Clear? FF 67, HH 89. Clear? Are the correct answer. Next, question 10. Z 3 times Z, 3 times Y, 3 times X, 3 times W. Clear? See W, X, Y, Z. What comes before W? V. What comes before V? U. What comes before U? T. What comes before T? S. So 3 times S, 3 times T, 3 times U, 3 times V. See here, 800, 700, 600, 500. If you subtract 600, if you subtract 500 from 600, what difference you get? 100. Clear? If you subtract 600 from 700, what difference you get? 100. If you subtract 700 from 800, what difference you get? 100. So what we have to do? We have to subtract 100 only. If we subtract 100 from 500, we get 400. If we subtract 100 from 400, we get 300. If we subtract 100 from 300, we get 200. Clear? If we subtract 100 from 200, we get 100. So 3 times S and 100. 3 times T, 200. 3 times U, 300. 3 times V, 400. 3 times W, 500. 3 times X, 600. 3 times Y, 700. 3 times Z, 800. So in this way we have to complete the alphanumeric series. Clear? So this part is completed. Thank you.